Hello everyone, and welcome to another Hi-Line lighting tutorial. So today we're going to be showing you how to pair our tunable white LED controller to our single zone tunable white remote control. Now first of all, we want to start by powering up the LED controller in order to be able to have the tunable white strip lighting up. Now once you've done that, you just want to press the pairing key on the LED controller once. You're gonna grab your remote control, power up the remote control by pressing this button on the left hand side, and then you can just go ahead and touch the color wheel, and the pairing is practically done. Now as you can see, the remote control gives you different options, so per se. So you can either make it adjust the brightness with these two buttons, so you make it very dim, or you can make it very bright, or you can save a particular mixture of the cool white and the warm white. For example, we really like this warm white here. Okay, if you press and hold S1, it will save this warm white. So if you press and hold S1 for roughly 1 to 2 seconds, it saves this mode. So if we were to go to cool white, and let's say I want to just jump right back up to the warm white I saved before, I'd press S1 and then go back to the warm white. And that's the same thing for S2, so you can save two modes with the remote control. And then over here you just have a faster way of adjusting the brightness. So you can either have full light, or you can have 75%, so per se. You can have 50%, or you can have, I believe, 10% or almost dimmed. That is it from us, and that's how you pair the tunable white remote control to the LED tunable white controller. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.